So can we just come into conclusion that we have two countries in Nigeria? Can we just conclude that we have two countries in Nigeria? One that favors the rich, the politician, and the other one that the poor masses are managing within themselves, the citizen. Because every day is like we are in complete, we are living in complete lack of hope. Yes, considering the few points that I derived from what Deji Adeyanju and Aisha Yesufu discussed. Sincerely, if you check well, because look at the dehumanization that happened in the court of law, where little kids were charged for treason. Can you imagine? That grammar is too big for those kids. All because they protested that they are hungry. And the only solution the federal government only that they can prefer to that is to get them arrested, keep them off, then subjected them to maximum hunger. I think it is not proper. When we have all these big men, big politicians that can just make away with our billions, that can loot our fund, with no any repercussion, kò sí any consequence don't face. Me, I don't support when people try to go extra mile or extremist, or you go out there to be disturbing the peace of the environment. I'm not in support of that. But I think what we call rule, the application of rule, I think all citizens are supposed to be treated equally. The rule of law must be blind to all. What is happening to A should be the same thing that is happening to B. Because normally, the children were not supposed to be taken to Abuja. They are supposed to be arraigned. If at all they found out that they committed some crime, like okay, maybe they constitute some nuisance and they disturb the environment in a way or the other, the peace of the environment, they can be arraigned within their jurisdiction instead of taking them away from their parents. They don't want to kó wọn pamọ́ síbi kan tó jẹ́ pé don't treat them badly to the extent that we have some of them that slummed, that collapsed, that they had to rush them out of the court of law. It is not proper. It is not proper, because most shamefully, these big men that we are talking about, even when court after court issued out their arrest warrants, they will even disregard the court orders and not showing up. They just believe they can do and undo. I think there should be balance. There should be balance. If people are complaining of hunger, or there is a way they are trying to show their grievance due to the what the government is supposed to be supplying to them, because normally the citizen will be demanding why the government will be supplying. So if I thought they see some traces of deficiency in the way the power is being shared, then they express themselves. There should be a way that government will be treating us. Then we will be praying for them. We will be happy that we have government that works for all. So I think with the way things are going now, the both of them came into conclusion that okay, do we still have any hope that is working? Is there hope for the citizen? Is there hope for Nigerians? Are we expecting something positive in the nearest future? Because I think there should be mousy, there should be there should be compassion. Our leaders should build their emotional intelligence so that whenever they remember they have citizens that they are governing, they will treat us in good manner. They will treat us equally so that we'll be happy as Nigerians, not that the law that favors the politician will now be going against the poor masses. So Bari, whatever you see to this, please let's meet at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to Akol TV. I appreciate you guys. Stay blessed. Love you.